Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I'm your host Vishakha Thakur. It's Monday, the day we bring latest updates from the Mint Street. A bunch of curated stories in the Web3 space, giving you the flavor of market activity and the fresh deals struck during this week. Well, we have collated deals from varied segments in this show so that you, our viewers, stay well informed of the latest developments and benefit from the action taking place in this space. So, just as the holiday season begins, a slew full of companies unveiled large funding rounds. This week, Michael Gilroy, a former fintech head at Coatue Management, announced he is co-founding a new venture capital firm with tech investor Gokul Rajaram. The firm plans to raise up to $500 million for its first round, targeting early-stage financial tech and software companies in the US, with fundraising set to begin in 2025. In other news, Paxos, a blockchain infrastructure platform and stablecoin issuer, confirmed its acquisition of Membrane Finance, a Finnish electronic money institution. The deal, pending regulatory approval, will grant Paxos a license to operate in the European Union and help expand its reach with stablecoins like EUROE and EUST. And now let's have a look at the first deal of the week. Grok developer xAI has raised $5 billion in new funding, bringing its valuation to $50 billion, according to a report by the Wall Street Journal. Now, the latest funding round, which was first announced on Friday, adds to the billions raised in May. Weller equity partners Sequoia Capital and Andreessen Horowitz were reportedly part of the raise, while Qatar's Sovereign Wealth Fund also participated, per the report, which cited unnamed sources. So next deal on the show is Anthropic, an AI startup, announced it raised an additional $4 billion from Amazon, bringing Amazon's total investment to $8 billion. Amazon will remain a minority investor and its AWS unit will be Anthropic's official cloud provider. Additionally, Anthropic is collaborating with AWS's Annapurna Labs to develop future generations of Amazon's Trainium chips and train its models on the hardware. Moving on, Theory Ventures, a venture capital firm focused on early-stage investments in data, AI, and Web3, has closed its second fund at $450 million, following its inaugural $238 million fund in April 2023. Now, the new fund will help scale its support for innovators leveraging emerging technologies. The firm was founded by Thomas, with former Palantir executive Lauren Demuth leading its institutional-grade operations. Moving on, D-Block, a crypto wallet startup founded by ex-Revolut and Ledger executives, raised £13.3 million in a seed funding, according to a recent filings. Lead investors in the round include Headline, Hoxton, 20 VC, and Shortfin. The company, founded in August 2022 by Jean Mayer, Aaron Beck, and Mario Iglesias, also previously raised €12 million in 2023. Adriana Restrepo, former CEO of Revolut's European banking operations, joined as the fourth founder later that year. Moving on, Axel and Process Ventures backed Web3 gaming startup Kratos Gamer Network raised $10 million in a funding round that saw its valuation surge more than threefold to $500 million. Well, the fundraise was led by Aptos Labs, which develops Web3 solutions for live service games. Blockchain startup Polygon and esports network Game7 also participated. So that's all in this week's Deal Corner show. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.